This is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Instant Pot cheesy broccoli rice. To start with, I've got a little bit of butter in here and a very small onion that I'm sauteing. I've had it going for a little while. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to cook your rice first, and then you're going to add your broccoli and cheese. So, alright. I want to add in 2 cups of rice. I'm going to stir it around and get maybe some butter and onions mixed. Okay, and then I'm going to add about 2.5 cups of chicken broth. Make sure your rice is covered. Oh my God, I did it. Make sure your vent is set. And you're going to cook it on rice for 12 minutes. After that, we'll bring you back. Alright, whenever this is done, you can do a quick release. So we'll bring you back in 12 minutes. Okay, the rice cooked. 12 minutes, I did a quick release on it. And I forgot to tell you, also make sure you turn off the keep warm, or because it has a tendency to burn on the bottom. Alright, here I've got about a large head and a small head that I've cut into florets. This is a three-step process. Alright, now I'm going to put the top back on. And I'm going to turn it to steam for 5 minutes. When this is done, do a quick release and we'll come back. Okay guys, I forgot something. I just got a burn notice. And it said if your rice looks too dry to add a little bit more water or broth. Let me get a little bit more. I'm out of broth, so I have to use water. So the bottom may be a little burnt. Not really, but... Alright, let's try this again. Alright, we'll be back. Alright guys, now at this time, we're going to add some garlic powder. Granulated garlic is what I've got. These measurements are all up to you. Some salt. And some pepper. Then I'm going to take some half and half, and I'm going to start with half a cup. No, I got more. I'll go ahead and put a cup in. And I've got some cheese, some Fiesta blend. I didn't have any straight cheddar. I'm going to break this up in here. Stir this around. Maybe a smidgen. Y'all know that's a smidgen, right? A little bit more half and half. Ooh. Now that looks good. Let me get a plate. All my mess here. Alright. This is our cheesy broccoli rice made in an Instant Pot. I want to thank you for joining me. If you hadn't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it. I'd love to have you in the family. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think or like what you like to make in the Instant Pot. And give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share it on your social media. Thanks for watching, guys. It's ready. Bye.